Topmost questions on pedagogy. শিশুৰ দৈহিক বিকাশ আৰু গঠন অৰ্থাৎ মনোবিজ্ঞানৰ আটাইতকৈ লাগতিয়াল প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ ফাদাৰ অফ ডেভেলপমেণ্টেল সাইকোলজি অৰ ফাদাৰ অফ কনষ্ট্ৰাকটিভিষ্ট এপ্ৰোচ অৰ শিফ্ট থিওৰিজ অফ কগনিটিভ কনষ্ট্ৰাকটিভিজম was given by Jean Piaget or SEMA was given by Jean Piaget. So question may come in different way, but the answer is same. Founder of functionalism, that means who was the founder of functionalism? Answer will be William James. Father of modern psychology, Sigmund Freud. Father of educational psychology, Prestology. Father of modern educational psychology, that is what? Edward Thorndike. So প্ৰশ্নবোৰ যিভাগেই নহওক কিন্তু ইয়াৰ উত্তৰবিলাক চাওঁতে আপোনালোক সাৱধান হ'ব so you should be alert while reading the question okay father of intelligent experiment or father of intelligent test construction so this question answer will be Alfred Binet so Alfred Binet is known as father of intelligent experiment or father of intelligent test construction so father of behaviorism is known as J.B. Watson. Okay, J.B. Watson is known as the father of behaviorism. So, you should be alert this one. আপোনালোকে এই ক্ষেত্ৰত সাৱধান হ'ব next question father of social constructivism or main or chief proponent of social constructivism Vygotsky father of CAM means concept attainment model or father of spiral curriculum or father of discovery learning is known as what? Jerome S. Bruner. So father of advanced organizer model is David Paul Opstel. Okay, David Paul Opstel is known as father of the advanced organizer model. Okay, be careful. So question may come in different way. So the answer is the same one. Father of personality psychology, that is Gordon Allport. Behavioral psychology was developed by J.B. Watson. Behavioral psychology was strengthened by B.F. Skinner. There is a difference between two sentences, so you should be alert. Behavioral psychology was developed by, then you have to write the answer J.B. Watson. And if the question is coming like that, behavioral psychology was strengthened by, then you have to write B.F. Skinner, and TR means reading, writing and arithmetic problem, and these were the most important question for all level exams, especially TET, B.Ed, D.L.Ed and M.Ed candidate. Thank you so much.